Thailand's largest island draws millions of people from all over the planet, and if you're lucky enough to visit, you're going to dream of this tropical paradise long after your vacation is over. This little slice of paradise has something for everyone, from miles of coastline and hidden coves to jungle-topped mountains and Buddhist temples. Phuket's beaches are some of the most beautiful in all of Asia, too. The sand is white and powdery soft with water so clear you can see the colorful coral and fish on the seafloor. And when you look up from your beach chair, you'll see lush green mountains rising up from out of the sea like jagged teeth. It's like stepping inside a postcard. The seafood here is insanely fresh. Get ready to feast on jumbo prawns, fat crabs, and giant lobsters every day of your stay. There's also so much to do and see in Phuket. You can go snorkeling or diving off the coast, visit a Buddhist temple, pet an elephant, go jungle trekking, get a Thai massage, or shop for souvenirs in Old Town. Phuket has so many fun things to do, it's going to make your head spin.